But I think we're filling a void that exists today, where some organizations are very myopic, they're focused more on cellular, or they may be focused more on hardware. This is an ecosystem-driven organization.
I'd like to share with you again some of the thought process that went in developing this vision. And when we discussed within the board and the membership, what should this vision be built on? First, accelerate the great work that's been going on in terms of next generation Wi-Fi program within WBA, but not just within WBA. WBA actively collaborating with other industry bodies, Wi-Fi Alliance, GSMA, Small Cell Forum, and others. There's a body of work done. How do we accelerate that? We have come to a point where we have achieved the success. We are beginning to see the entire ecosystem embrace these technologies, deploy these technologies, but there is yet a lot more to be done. So clearly keep in mind that we need to accelerate what we have been doing. Second, diversify. Why diversify? Because the opportunities don't stop in terms of role of Wi-Fi only for hotspots and how are you applying for hotspot business. Wi-Fi has a greater relevance. Wi-Fi is one of the chief unlicensed technologies. The unlicensed technologies have a role to play in shaping the market opportunities that lie in front of us, existing opportunities, and a lot more emerging opportunities. So how do we diversify the work that is happening and apply that to new opportunities for all of us?
Wi-Fi is an important access medium in the cities. Also, they do see this tidal wave coming of all these connected devices, and whether it's a street light or a parking meter or a car or e-health, and they're trying to figure it all out. And they're trying to learn from each other, and what better way than to have an organization like the WBA who doesn't lead it, but helps to bring everyone together, and not just in a forum that's about, a conference and we get together and chat and we walk away and we say, hey, see you next time, but in a forum that'll really drive outputs, tangible outputs. So drive best practices, drive lots of knowledge share.
If you think about what we're doing in a city's perspective in connected cars, it's interesting where you talk about the fact that we're getting all this data off the vehicles. How can I take that data and begin to use it for other purposes?
So if you take this shared spectrum concept, having local private networks, we do it today with Wi-Fi all the time, but extending this to LTE is, a next logical step.